All right, on an Oliver plow. Did we get now, bind it right here. Here we get there now. Did we get now, bind it right here. Oh my, look at here. Here we get there now, bind it next right here. You live now. Did we get now? $100. Now two. Out of the 100. Out of the get two to bid. Out of the 100. Out of the get 200. Out of the 100. Out of the get two to bid. Out of the 100. Out of the get 200. Bid. Out of the 100. Out of the get two to the bid. Out of the 150. Out of the 100 and a half. Out of the one. Even to get one and a half. Did we get one? Even to get one and a half. Now two. Out of two to the bid. Out of the one and a half. And now two. 200. Out of the get two. Even to get 200 on the plow. Out of the 200. Out of the get two to the bid. Out of the one and a half. And now two. 200. Out of the get two. Even to get two. And out of the get 200. Out of the 175. Out of the 175. 150. 175. And out of the get now 75. $150 now 75. Out of the 175 on the plow. Out of the 175 and now two. Out of 200. Out of the get two to the bid. Out of the 175 and now two. Now did you say it now quarter? Out of the 200 and a quarter. Out of the 25. Did you get 225? Out of 225. Out of 225. Did you get 25? Out of the get 210. Out of the 200. Out of the get 210. Out of 200. Out of the get 210. 225. Out of 225. Did you get you're not in? Out of 225. Out of 210. 225. I got you out. Now did you get 210? 225. Now 225. Out of 225, sir. Now do you want to do it? 225. 50. Out of 250. 275. Try again. Out of 275. And now did you get 3 and a quarter? Out of 300 and a quarter. Out of 3 and a quarter. Do you want to get 3? Do you want to get 3 and a quarter? Do you want to get 325? Out of 3 and a quarter. 3 and a half. Out of 3 and a half. 375. Now 4. Now quarter. Out of the 400 and a quarter. Out of the 400 and a quarter. Out of the 425. 450. Now 75. 500. Out of the 500 and a quarter. 5 and a half. Do you want to get 5? 550. Out of the 500 and a half. Out of the 500 now 50. Do you want to get 5 and a quarter? Do you want to get 5 and a half? Do you want to get 5 and a half? Do you want to get 5? Do you want to get 5? Do you want to get 5? I'm right here in the blue, Hal. Right here in the blue is where I'm at. You're out over, Hal.
Sir.
Hal, you crossed me with him.
Yeah,
I'm in the blue and the beard at 5 and a quarter, 5 and a half. Out of the 5 and a quarter, 5 and a half. Pioneer hat, 5 and a half.
550.
Out of the 5 and a quarter, 550. Out of the 5 and a quarter, do you want to get 5? 5 and a half. Out of the 5 and a quarter, do you want to get 550? Out of 5 and a quarter, do you want to get 5? 550. Out of 5 and a quarter, do you want to get 5 and a half? 5 and a half. 5 and a half. 575. Out of the 550, 575. Easiest pull and plow in the country. Out of the 575. Out of the 550, 575. Do you want to do it? Out of the 550, 575. Now do you want to get 75? Out of the 550, 575, 550, 575. Now do you want to get 75? The ball in. Sold it your way. How? $550. $550, 227 the buyer, 227. I'm gonna sell the irrigator, and then we'll sell those 2 cylinders off lot line. All right, buying a Dunham Lear 16-foot irrigator. Oh my, to get it there and somebody get $1,000. I'm $1,000, $100 too. Out of the 100, out of it to get 2 to the bid. Out of the 100, out of it to get 200, out of it to get 2. Now 3. I'm a 3. I'm gonna get 3. I'm gonna get 3, 4. Out of the 400, out of it to get 4, 4 to bid. Out of the 400, out of it to get 40. I'm gonna get 400. I'm a 300, out of it to get 4 straw hat. How did it to get 400? Out of it to get 40. I'm gonna get 400. I'm a 300. Out of it to get 4, 4 to bid. I'm a 3 and now 4, 4 to bid. I'm gonna get 3. I'm gonna get 3 and a quarter. Half 75, 4. Out of the 400 and a quarter. 4 and a half. 500. Out of it to get 500. Out of it to get 5 and a half. Did you get 550?
I don't have a hitch on the truck.
600. Out of it to get now 6. $600 now 6 and a half and now 7. I'm a 7 and a half. I'm a 7 and a half. 8. Out of it 800. Out of it to get 8. You want to get 8 and a half? Did you want to get 8 and a half? Out of it to get 859. Out of the 900. Out of it to get 9. Did you want to get 9? 9 to bid. Out of the 9. Did you want to get 9 and a half? $1,000. I'm a 9 and a half. $1,000 now 11. 11 to bid. I'm a pound. Did you want to get 11? 11 to bid. I'm a pound. Did you want to get 1100? I'm a $1,000 now 11. 11 to bid. I'm a pound. Did you want to get now 11? 1100. Did you want to get 11 now 11? I'm a $1,000 now 11. 1100. Did you want to get 11 now 11? I'm a pound. Did you want to get 1100? I'm a $1,000 now 11. 11 to bid. 1,000 half. Does he want to do that? 1,050. I'm a pound. Did you want to get 1,050? I'm a pound. Did you want to get 1,050? I'm a pound. Did you want to get 1,000 and a half? I'm a $1,000 pound and a half. I'm a pound. Did you want to get 1,000 and a half? Did you want to get 1,000 a quarter? Sold it your way. How? $1,000. Number 73. $1,000. 173. And that would be 73. 73, and you put ECU2, right? All right, now you got 2 cylinders offline, 2 hydraulic cylinders offline. You're just offline for a second. All right, right here. Now take it again about an extra $10. So I'm going to get $50. I'm a 50, 10, 20. I'm a $10 now 20. I'm going to donate down to get 10, 20. I'm a $10, 20 down to get 30 down to get 40 down to get 30, 40. I'm a 30 down to get 40, 50. I'm at a $50, 60. I'm at 60 and I'm going to get now. Do you want to get 60? Now do you want to do it? I'm at $50 now 60. I'm at 50 down to get 60 and I'm going to get 50, 60. Do you want to do it? I'm at $50 now 60. Do you want to get 60 and I'm going to get now 60. Do you want to do it? I'm at $50, 60. Sold them $50 times 2. Is that right?
You want them both?
$50 times 2, 227. Takes just one. He took just one. 227 took just one. $50. Pull which one he wants. All right, buying this one left right here. Take it again, $10.20. I'm a $10 now, 20 to bid. I'm at the end out of it to get 20 to bid, to get 10, 20. I'm a $10 now, 20 to bid, 30. I'm a 20 now, 30. I'm a 20 now, did it to get 30 in the middle of it to get $30. I'm a $20, $30, 40 down to it to get 50. I'm at the 50 down to it to get 50 in the middle of it to get 40, 50. I'm at $40, 50. I'm at the 40 down to it to get 50 in the middle of it to get 40. I'm with the guy with the chew. I'm at 40, 50, 40, 30, 40, 45 now, 50, now 55. I'm at a $50, 55. I'm at a $50 down to it to get 55 now, 60, now 60. You just go ahead and spit, sir. You'll feel better than $60. 55, 60. Hey, you're going to need one, $60. I'm at 60, I'm at 55, and now 60. Do you want to get 60 in the middle of it now? Do you want to get 55 and now 60 down? Do you want to get 60 in the middle of the bone in? Sold it your way. $55, $227 to buyer, $227. Is Mary Ann in the truck?
Yeah.
Hey guys, in front, watch out. She's got to pull up. All right, right here. Take it again. Now you got a sprayer. It's got a roller pump on it. Yeah, there's some in the trailer. There's a whole box of them in the trailer, them paint sticks. Okay. All right, now you got a roller pump. It's free right here. On the sprayer, that's good. Right there. Take it again. About an next one right there. Full type sprayer. Somebody get $1,000. I'm a pound. Everybody get pound to bid. I'm a pound. $100. Now two. I'm at the 100. Everybody get two. Everybody get three. Everybody get four. Everybody get 400. I'm at 4, 500 bid. I'm at the 500. Now six. 600. Everybody get now six. Blue hat right here. I'm at 600. Everybody get 7. 700. Now eight. I'm at an 800. Everybody get paid. Everybody get paid. Everybody get paid 9. I'm at a 900. Everybody get $1,000. I'm a pound. Everybody get 1100. I'm 11. Everybody get pound. Everybody get 1100. I'm $1,000 now. 11 to bid. I'm a pound. Everybody get 1100. Everybody get 1100. I'm $1,000 now. 11 now 12. I'm 11. Everybody get 12. 13. Anybody get 13? Do you want to do it? I'm a 1200. Everybody get 13. 14. I'm at a 14. Everybody get 13 and a half. 1400 and a half. I'm at a 14 and a half. I'm at a 13 and a half. 14 and a half. 15 and a half. 15 and a half. I'm at 1500 and a half. I'm at a 15 and a half. Everybody get 15 and a half. Everybody get the bone in. I'm at 15 and a half. I'm at 1500. I'm at 14 and a half. $1,500. I'm at 1500. Everybody get 15. How about a 15? 1475. 1500, my friend. I'm at 15. 1500. Rodney, you're out. 1500 and a quarter. I'm at 1500 and a quarter. How about a 15? You let the weeds grow in your beans. The neighbors are talking. 15 a quarter. I'm at 1500 and a quarter. How about a 1500 and a quarter? Do you want to get 1500 and a quarter? I'm at 1500 and a quarter. How about a 1500 and a quarter? Do you want to get 15 a quarter? Sold it. $1,500. $1,500. So 136. So 136, and that was EQ3, right? Now we're up to EQ4. New idea, corn picker. Hydraulic cylinder on it for the tongue. Oh my, 2-row narrow, correct? 2-row narrow. It is 30 inch. Oh my, look at it there. New boots under both elevators. New boots under both elevators. All right, right here. Take it again. About an next one out here. Here we get there now. Can you send that out? Oh my, take it there now. Take it again. Did everybody get 3,000? I'm a 3 times. Did everybody get 3 pretty bid? I'm a 3 times. Did everybody get 3 pretty bid? $1,000. I'm a pound. Did everybody get down? Did everybody get 500? I'm a 500. Everybody get 2, 3. I'm a 200. Everybody get 300. Everybody get 3. Everybody get 400. Everybody get 500. Everybody get 600. Everybody get 700. I'm a 7 now. 800. Everybody get 8. Everybody get 800. Everybody get 8. Everybody get 800. I'm at an 800. Everybody get 8 to bid. I'm a 7. Everybody get 800. Everybody get 900. Everybody get $1,000. 11. I'm a 12 to bid. I'm 11. Everybody get 1200. Everybody get 11. Now 12. I'm a 12. 13. Everybody get 13. Where? I'm a 1200. Everybody get 13. I'm a 1200. Everybody get 13. I'm a 13. Everybody get 12. Everybody get 13. Where? I'm a 1300. Everybody get 13. I'm a 12 now. 1300. Everybody get 13. I'm a 13. New boots under both rolls. I'm a 13. I'm a 13. Everybody get 13. I'm a 12 now. 13. Hydraulic cylinder going with it. 13. 2 of them actually. 13. I'm a 1300. Everybody get 12. Everybody get 13. I'm a 1300. Everybody get 13. I'm a 1200. Everybody get 13. I'm a 13. Everybody get 13. I'm a 13. Everybody get 13. Everybody get 1200. Everybody get 13. Where? I'm a 13. 13 bid. I'm a 12 and a half. You want to do that? 12. 12 and a half. Everybody get 12 and a half. Everybody get 12. 12.50. Sold it. $1,200, number 40. $1,200, number 40. All right, right here. Now you got to watch in front of us, guys. Watch in front of us. All right, now you got a white EQ5. All right, you got a white 255 disc. 255 disc. Oh my, pretty nice disc right here. Wings and got it all. Take it again. Somebody get 3,000. I'm a 3,000. Everybody get 330 bid. I'm a 3,000 straight old disc. $1,000, 1,100. I'm a $1,000 now. 11 bid. I'm a pound. Everybody get 1,100. Everybody get 11. Now 11. I'm a pound. Everybody get 1,100. Everybody get 1,100. I'm a $1,000 now. 11 bid. I'm a pound. Everybody get 1,100. Everybody get 1,100. Everybody get pound. Everybody get 1,100. I'm 11 now. $1,200, I'm gonna get 13, and I'm gonna get 12, I'm gonna get 13, you wanna do it? 14, I'm at 14, 14, I'm at 13, 14, and I'm gonna get 13, you wanna get 1400, I'm gonna get 14, I'm at 13, 14, I'm at 13, 14, and I'm gonna get 1400, I'm gonna get 13, you wanna get 1400, I'm at 13, 14, I'm at 13, you wanna get 1400, I'm gonna get 13, 1400, I'm at 1300, I'm gonna get 14, I'm at 1400, I'm gonna get 13, I'm at 1400, I'm gonna get 14, do you wanna do it? I'll tell you what, guys, check in here. You need a pretty good disc, you check in here, $1,400. I'm at 13 and a half, anybody get 13 and a half, I'm at 1,300 and a half, I'm at 1,300 and a half, I'm at 1,300 and a half, I'm at 13, and the book's with it. I'm at 1,300 and a half, I'm at 13, you want to get 13 and a half, I'm going to get now 50. I'm at 13 and a half, thank you, 14, I'm at 1,400, I'm going to get 14, I'm at 1,400, I'm going to get the book's with it now, 1,500. I'm at 1,500, I'm going to get 15, and I'm going to get 15, I'm at 1,500, I'm going to get 15, 15, thank you, 16. I'm at 15, 16, I'm at 15, 16, I'm at 16, 17, I'm at 17, I'm at 1700, I'm going to get 17, I'm at 16, 17, you're going to get 17, I'm at 17, go talk to him, John. I'm at 17, I'm at 17, ask him if you get 16 and a half, 1,600 and a half, I'm at 1,600 and a half, I'm at 16 and a half, and I'm going to get now 50, I'm at 1,600 and a half, I'm at 1,600 and a half, and you're going to get 50, and I'm going to get now 50, I'm at 1,600 and a half, I'm at 1,600 and a half, and you're going to get 16 and a half, and I'm going to get now, you're going to get 50, want to do her, sir, 1650, I'm at 1,600 and a half.
If it's an international, it'd be bringing $3 grand.
Oh, if it's international, bring $3 grand. Yeah, they'd walk over to it. It'd be a wore out one. And it'd be a wore out one to bring $3 grand. 16, anybody get out? Anybody get 16 and a half? Anybody get the ball in? Do you want to do it? Sold it. $1,600.
178.
178. There's the book. Hey, partner, get your book to your piece of equipment. All right, you got a dandy. You have a new idea of a nerve spreader. Lift gate works good. Top beater works good. Everything works good. All right, 540 PTO, correct, fellas? All right, right here. Take it again. Bind it next to that here. Here we get there now. Did we get now? Bind it there. Oh my! Did we get somebody get 15,000? How much 15,000? Did we get 15? How much 15? 5,000. Thank you. How much by $1,000? $6,000. How much by $1,000? Did we get now 6? Now 7. How much 7,000? Did we get 7? Need the money at $7,000. Now wait. How much at $8,000? How much at $8,000? Did we get paid? 8 to bid. How much? And there's the book to it, Johnny. How much at $8,000? Did we get paid? 8 to bid. How much at $8,000? 75. Thank you. Now wait. How? How much at $8,000? Did we get paid? Now 85. How much at 85? Who did? 85. How about 85 to 9? How about 9 pounds? Everybody get 9? How to bid? How about 9 pounds? Everybody get 9? Everybody get 9? Everybody get 9? Thank you. 95 10. How about $10,000? 10 5. How about 10 5? Now 11. How about anybody get 11? Anybody get 11? 11 5. How about 8? How? Blue shirt, short sleeves. 11 5. See 11 5. I'm 11 11 5. I'm 11 5. Now 12. How about 12 pounds? Anybody get 12? 12 bid. How about 12 pounds? Anybody get 12? 12 5. How about 12 pounds? Anybody get 12? 12 5. How about 12 pounds? Anybody get 12 5. How about 12 1? What is that? What you said? How? 12 1. 12 2. 12 2. Thank you. Now 3. Got to be 3. Al, you're out again. 12 3. How about 12 2? 12 3. 3 to bid. How about, guys, this is one piece I wouldn't stand behind if I was you. How about 12 pounds? Anybody get 12 3? How about 12 2? 12 3. How about 12 2? 12 3. How about 12 2? 12 3. 3 to bid. How about the dude out of it? 3. You want to get 3. And everybody get 2 3. How about 12 2? 12 3. 3 to bid. How about the dude out of it? Get 3. You want to get 3. Here we go. How about 12 2? 12 3. How about 12 2? 12 3. 3 to bid. How about the dude out of it? Get 3. You want to get 3. And everybody get 2. You want to get 3. And everybody get 12 3. I sold it for 12 2. Number 30, the buyer. Bidder number 30. Bidder number 30. Right here now. Take it again. The buy next to not here. Oh my, take it right here. Give me it there now. Take it again. The buy. I'll give you all of this. Pick it up. Right here, buying a John Deere elevator. Oh my, look at there, electric motor, and it works good. It'd be EQ7. EQ7 right here. Take it again. Anybody get 800? How about 800? Everybody get 203. How about 200? Everybody get 3 4. Now 5. How about 400? Everybody get 500. Everybody get 600. Everybody get now. Do you want to do it? How about 600? Everybody get 5 6. 600. Everybody get now. Do you want to get 600? Everybody ball in. How about 500? Everybody get now 6. 600. Everybody get now. Do you want to get 600? Everybody get now. Do you want to get 5 6. 550. How about 500 and a half? How about 5? Do you want to get 5 and a half? Everybody get 5 5 and a half. How about 500 and a half? How about 500? Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. This thing works good, right? It works good. 5 and a half. How about 500 and a half? How about 550? Do you want to get 5? Do you want to get 5 and a half? Everybody want to get 550. How about 500 and a half? How about 5? Do you want to get 5 and a half? Everybody want to get 5 550. How about 500 and a quarter? Anybody else? 5 5 and a quarter. Do you want to get 5? Do you want to get 5 and a quarter? Do you want to get 5 5 5 and a quarter? Sold it online, $500. The bid number is 308602. 308602. 308602. All right, we're up to the John Deere, 7000 4-row planter. All right, fertilized box lids are brand new. He went through it. It is, how many acres did you tell me? Did you say? It planted 25 acres on brand new fertilizer units. 25 acres on brand new. Now, what I'm going to do, fellas, I'm going to sell you the corn planter with the no-till coulters that are on it, and then I have 4 coulters up here. I'll sell them by the piece as soon as I sell the planter. Here's all the books to the corn planter, everything right here. All right, somebody get 10,000. I'm a 10 down, everybody get 10, 10 to bid. I'm a 10 down, everybody get 2 grand, 25. I'm a 2 down, everybody get 25, 3. I'm a 3 down, everybody get 3, 3 to bid. I'm a 3 down, everybody get 35. I'm a 3 down, everybody get 35, and now 4. I'm a 4 down, everybody get 4, 4 to bid. I'm a 4 down, everybody get 4,000. I'm a 35, and now 4, 4 to bid. I'm a 4 down, everybody get 37 and a half. You want to get 4,000, now 2 and a half. I'm at 42, 250. I'm at 42 and a half, 5. I'm at 45, everybody get 45, everybody get 45. Rodney, your guys out. I'm at 45, 45, 5 to bid, and now 45, 42 and a half, 45. I'm at 45, 45. You're in the hat right there on the, and 3 books to it, 45. I'm at 45, 5 to bid. I'm at 42 and a half, now 45. I'm at 45, everybody get 5, everybody get 45. I'm at 42 and a half, 45, 5 to bid, 45. Everybody get 42 and a half, 45. I'm at guys, if you want a good 4-row corn planter, you help yourself. You help yourself. 45. Rodney, get this guy right here. 4,500. Talk to him, Mayor. You want to get 43? 43. You want to do it, sir? 43. I'm at 43. I'm at 43. Now 4. I'm at 44. Did even get 44? Did even get 44? I'm at 44. 4 to bid. I'm at 44. Did even get 44? Did even get 44? I'm at 44. 4 to bid. I'm at 44. Now 5. I'm at 45. 100. Did even get 45? Did even get 45? I'm at 44. 45. 45. Did even get 5? Did even get 45? You talk about a good planter, guys. And the fertilizer is ready to go. 45. I'm at 45. 45. 5 to bid. Did even get 45? Did even get 45? Did even get 5? 7 and a half. I'm at 47 and a half. And now 5. I'm at 5 pound. Did even get 5? 5 to bid. I'm at 5 pound. Did even get 5? Did even get 5,000. Hey, sir, all I want to ask you is how often do you go to a sale and the fertilizer boxes are rotted out on them? And this one's planted 25 acres and been greased and oiled up. $5,000. $5,000. 48. You want to do that? I'm at 48. I'm at 47 and a half. And now wait. I'm at 8. Even to get 8 where? I'm at 8. I'm at 48. I'm at 47 and a half. And now wait. I'm at 8. Even to get 8. Even to get 8 where? I'm at 47 and a half. And now wait. 8 to bid. I'm at 8. Even to get 8. Even to get 8. Even to get 48. I'm at 47 and a half. 48. 8 to bid. I'm at 7 and a half. And now wait. I'm at 800. Even to get 8. Even to get 8. Even to get 8 where? I'm at 800. I'm at 8. 8 to bid. I'm at 4700. Even to get 800. Even to get 8. Even to get 8 where? You guys want to do it? 4,800. 48. Sold it. 47.50. $4,750. 227 to buyer. 227. Now we're offline. Stop, Marianne. We're offline. I have by the piece 4 times the money. By the piece 4 times the money. Another set of no-till coulters. Give $100 a piece. I'm at 100. Everybody get 150. 75. I'm at 50. 50. Do you want to get 50? Do you want to get 50? And everybody get now. Do you want to get 50? And everybody get 75. I'm at $50 now. 75. I'm at $50 now. 75. And everybody get now. Do you want to get 75? And everybody get bone in. I'm at $50 now. 75. I'm at $50. 75. Do you want to get 75? And everybody get 50. Do you want to get 75? And everybody get bone in. Sold them $50 times 4. $50 times 4. 227. 227. Now you're up to a New Holland 56A rate. Right here. Take it again. About an Nixon right here. Here we go there. That's good. It's EQ9. EQ9. Oh my, take it there. Somebody get 3,000. I'm at 3,000. Everybody get $3,000. I'm at 500. Everybody get 6. 600. Everybody get now 7. I'm at 700. Everybody get now 7. Everybody get 7 where? I'm at 600. Everybody get 7. 7 to bid 8. I'm at 800. Everybody get 900. Everybody get 80. Everybody get 900. I'm at 800. Everybody get 900 bid. I'm at 900. Everybody get 80. Everybody get 900. Everybody get 900. I'm at 800. Everybody get 900 bid. I'm at 900. Everybody get 900. Everybody get 9 black hat. How? I'm at 900. Everybody get 900 bid. I'm at 900. Everybody get $9,000. I'm at $1,000. Everybody get $1,000. I'm at $9,500. $9,500. Now 1,000. I'm at 1,000 and a half. I'm at 1,000. Everybody get 1,000 and a half. Everybody get 1,050. I'm at $1,000. 1,000 and a half. I'm at 1,000. Everybody get 1,000 and a half. Everybody get 1,050. I'm at $1,000. 1,000 and a half. I'm at 1,000. Everybody get 1,000 and a half. Everybody get 1,000. Everybody get 1,000 and a half. Everybody get 1,050. I'm at $1,000. 1,000 and a half. I'm at 1,000. Everybody get 1,000 and a half. Everybody get 1,000 and a half. Keep on back in, sir. 1,050. Don't have you. I'm at 1,000 and a half. I'm at 1,000 with the book. With the book. 1,000 and a half. I'm at $1,000. 1,000 and a half. I'm at 1,000. Everybody get 1,000 and a half. Everybody get 1,000. Everybody get 1,000 and a half. Everybody get 1,050. I'm at $1,000. 1,000 and a half. I'm at 1,000. Everybody get 1,000. Everybody get 1,000 and a half. Everybody get 1,000. Everybody get 1,000 and a half. Everybody get 1,050. Do you want to do it, sir? 1,050. Sold it. $1,000. You got her bought. $1,000.
81.
81 the buyer. Bidder number 81. Pull her up just a hair. We're up to, tell me the number, EQ10. EQ10 on a New Holland 570 baler, wagon hitch and shoot, PTO, that's good, right there. Oh my, to give it there, somebody get 15,000. How much 15? Anybody get 12? How much 12,000? Anybody get 5,000? $6,000. How about by town? Anybody get $6,000? $6,000. How about by town? Anybody get 6? 6 to bid. How about by town? Anybody get $6,000? Do you want to do it? How about by town? Anybody get now 6? Guys, it just had brand new knotters put in it 4 years ago. Frames, the whole works, brand new knotters. He said the only time it'll miss a bale, he said the only time it'll miss a bale is when you change balls. I got 5,000 on the internet, 55. How about if I found 55 now? 6,000, now 5. How about 65 and now 7? How about 7 times? Anybody get 75 now? 75. How about 75? I did it. How about 75? Anybody get 8,000? How about 8 times? Anybody get 8? Anybody get 8 where? How about 8 times? Anybody get 8? 8 to do it. How about 75 and now 8? How about 8 times? Nice baler. How about $8,000? How about 8 times? Anybody get 8? 8 to do it. How about 75? Anybody get 8 times? Anybody get 8? Give 8. How about 8 times? Anybody get 8,000? How about 75 now? 8. How about 8 times? Anybody get 8? Anybody get 8? Anybody get 8,000? How about 75 now? 8. How about 8 times? Guys, good balers are hard to find. And guys will go, oh, boy, that baler's on kind of high today. No, a good baler's not high, especially when you got to lay underneath them when it's 92 degrees and work on them. This one, you hook onto it, you take it to the field, and you bale hay with it. 75, 8 grand. How about 8,000? How about 8,000? Everybody get 8, 8 to bid. How about 8,000? Everybody get 8 where? How about 8,000? Everybody get 8, 8 to bid. How about 75? Now 8. How about 8,000? Everybody get 77 and a half. How about 75? 77 and a half. How about 75? 7 and a half. How about 75? 7 and a half. How about 75? 77 and a half. How about 75? 77 and a half. Everybody get now. Everybody get 77 and a half. How about 75, 77 and a half. How much 75? You want to get 7 and a half? Everybody get 77 and a half. Everybody get bone in. How much 75, 76, all in, all done. How much 75, 76? How much 75 and now 6? 600. Everybody get 5. You want to get 600? Everybody get 7,500. Everybody get now 600. Everybody get bone in. All done. Internet, you done too? Sold it. $7,500. $7,500. Number 64, the buyer. 64. Watch out in front of us. Keep going, Marianne. That's good right there. Dad, you need to roll the pasture. What the heck's wrong with you? All right, EQ11 is a 14-foot flatbed wagon. Oh my, John Deere gear, John Deere gear. Oh my, take it there, somebody get $1,000, 200 out of it, get 300. I'm a 200 out of it, get 3 to bid. I'm a 200 out of it, get 300 out of it, get 3, you get 300. I'm a 200 out of it, get 3 to bid. I'm a 300 out of it, get 2, you get 300 out of it, get 3, you get 300. I'm a 200 out of it, get 3 to bid. I'm a 200 out of it, get 300 out of it, get 400 out of it, get 500 out of it, get 500. I'm a 500 out of it, get John Deere gear, $500. I'm at the 40, I'm gonna get 5 to bid. I'm at the 500, I'm gonna get 40, I'm gonna get 5 now 6, 600, I'm gonna get now, I'm gonna get 600. I'm at 600, I'm gonna get 5 now 6, 600, I'm gonna get 5, 550, I'm gonna get 5, 5 and a half. I'm at the 500 and a half, I'm at the 5, I'm gonna get 5 and a half, I'm gonna get 5, 550, I'm gonna get 5 and a half. I'm at the 500 and a half, I'm at the 5, 5 and a half, I'm gonna get 5, I'm gonna get 5 and a half, I'm gonna get 5, 550. I'm at 500 and a half, I'm at the 5, I'm gonna get 5 and a half, I'm gonna get 5, 5 and a half. The guy that bought the baler might need this. I'm at 500 and a half, I'm at the 5, I'm gonna get 5 and a half, I'm gonna get 5, 5 and a quarter. I'm gonna get 5 and a quarter. How about 500 and a quarter? How about 500 and a quarter? I'm gonna get 5, 5 and a quarter. I'm gonna get 5, 5 and a quarter. I'm gonna get 500 and a quarter. I'm gonna get 5. I'm gonna get 25. I'm gonna get the bone in. Sold it. $500. You got her, boss.
81.
81, the buyer. 81. Now you can ease up. Next wagon is EQ12. All right, got another wagon right here. Somebody get 203. I'm a 200 out of it, get 3 to bid. I'm a 200 out of it, get 3. That's good. I'm a 200 out of it, get 300 out of it, get 3. I'm gonna get 400 out of it, get 40. I'm gonna get 400. I'm a 3 and now 4, 4 to bid 5. I'm at the 40. I'm gonna get 500 out of it, get 5. I'm gonna get 500 out of it, get 500. Good little wagon. I'm at 500 out of it, get 5. I'm at 6. I'm at 600. Got to be 5 and a half. 550. I'm at 500 and a half. I'm at the 5. I'm gonna get 5 and a half. I'm gonna get 5, 5 and a half. I'm gonna get 5 and a half. I'm at the 500 and a half. I'm at the 550. I'm gonna get 5, 5 and a half. 600 out of it, get now 600 all the way back. I'm at 600 and a half. Now 7. Now 7. Now 7. I'm at 7, 7 and a half. I'm at 7 and a half. Now 8. I'm at 800. I'm gonna get 80. I'm gonna get 800 and a half. I'm at 800 and a half. I'm at 8 and a half. And now 9. I'm gonna get 900. I'm gonna get 9 and a half. $1,000. I'm at 11. Now 1100. I'm gonna get 1,000. I'm gonna get 1100. I'm at 1,000 and a half. I'm at 1,000. I'm gonna get 1,000 and a half. Now 11. All the way back. 1100. I'm at 11. 11 bid. I'm at 1100. I'm gonna get 11. Now 11. I'm at 1100. I'm gonna get 11. I'm gonna get 1100. I'm gonna get 1100. Now 12. I'm at 11 now, 12, 12 it is. I'm 1150. Demon to get 11 and a half. I'm 1100 and a half, 12. I'm 1200. Other bit to get 12. Demon to get 1200. Other bit to get 1200. I'm 1150 now, 12, 12 it is. I'm 11 half and now 12. I'm 1200. Other bit to get 12. Demon to get 11 half and now 12. Demon to get 12. Other bit to get 1200. I'm 1150 now, 12, 12 it is. I'm 11 half. Demon to get 12. Demon to get 1200. Other bit to get 11 half and now 12. Demon to get 12. Other bit to get 1200. Sold it your way. How? 1150. $1,050. Number 51, the buyer. 51. Now we got a post driver. Hair more. That's good right there. All right, buying a post driver now. Take it again to buy the next tonight here. Here we get there now. What are you going to do? Somebody get 1,500. I'm at 14, 15. Anybody to get 15, 16. Now 16. I'm on the internet. I'm at 15, 16. I'm at 15, 16. Another to get 17. Another to get now 17. Now 18, 18. Anybody get 18. Way to the bid. I'm at 2 down. Anybody get 2 to the bid. I'm at 2 down. Anybody get 2. How now 2 down. Anybody get 2. Anybody get 2. 25. I'm at 22 and a half. I'm at $2.01. Bring me something to drink when you come back. 21. I'm at 21. I'm at $1.2. I'm at 22, 4, 25. I'm at 25, 7 and a half. Now 3. I'm at 3 down. Anybody get 3. 3 to bid. I'm at 3 down. Anybody get 3. Anybody get 3. Where? I'm at 3 down. Anybody get 3. 32 and a half. 35. I'm at 35. Anybody get 35. Anybody get 35. I'm at 35. How to bid? I'm at 32 and a half. 35. I'm at 35. Anybody get 5. Anybody get 35. Now 7 and a half. I'm at 37 and a half and now 4. I'm at 4 down. Anybody get 4. 4 to bid. 38. I'm at 37 and a half. 38. I'm at 37 and 38. 37. You'll tamp them then. You'll drill them and tamp them. 38. I'm at 37, 38. I'm at 800. Anybody get 37 and a half. And now 8. I'm at 8. Anybody get 8. Anybody get 8. The neighbor's kind of complaining about your fence a little. I'm at 37 and a half. 38. I'm at 8. Anybody get 8. Anybody get 800. Anybody get 38. I'm at 37 and a half. 38. Now 9. I'm at 39. Anybody get 8 and a half. I'm at 38. 850. I'm at 38. Anybody get 8. 8 and a half. I'm at 38. Anybody get 8 and a half. Anybody get 8. 850. I'm at 3,800. Anybody get 8. 8 and a half. I'm at 3,800. Anybody get 8. 8 and a half. All in and all done. Here we go. 38. Anybody get 850. Sold it. $3,800. $3,800.
212.
212 the buyer. 212 is the buyer. All right, we are up to EQ 14, correct? New Holland 355 grinder right here. He just ground 6 batches with it, right? 6 batches last week.
Grab a drink now. One drink? No. I was just thinking about all that feed he ground. He definitely didn't have to bucket out of the bin like I do.
No, he doesn't bucket out of the bin like you, but you know what? You're probably more fit.
No.
You're a little, no, you're not?
No.
Oh, okay.
I watched Dad right up down here.
Oh, okay. All right, right here on a good New Holland feed grinder. Just ground feed with it last week. They ground 6 batches. Somebody get 15,000. I'm at 15 down, 5,000. Thank you. Now 6,000. Now 7. Now 8. I'm at 8 down. Everybody get 9 down. Everybody get 9. Everybody get 95. Now 10. I'm at 10 down. Everybody get 10. You get 10. I'm at 95. Now 10. I'm at 10 down. You want to get 97 and a half? I'm at a 95, 750. I'm at a 97 and a half. Thank you. Now 10 down. Everybody get 10. 10 to bid. I'm at $10,000. 10.5. I'm at 10.5. I'm at 8. Everybody get 5. 11. Everybody get 11. Now 11. I'm 11 down. Everybody get 11.5. I'm 11.5. And scales are a year old on it, and they work. And the scales are a year old on it, and they work. 11.5. I'm 11.5. I'm 11.5. I'm 11.5. Everybody get 11. Everybody get 5. Everybody get 11.5. I'm 11 down. Everybody get 11. 11.5. I'm 11.5. 5 to bid. I'm 11 down. Everybody get 11.5. I'm 11 down. Everybody get 11. 11.5. I'm 11 down. Everybody get 5. 5 to bid. I'm 11.5. I'm $11,000. 11.5. I'm 11.5. Where are you at, Hal? He's 11.5. I'm on the wagon. Okay, I want to make sure we're together. Right straight back from you is 11.5 is out. I'm 11 down. Everybody get 11.5. I'm 11 down. Everybody get 11. Now 5. I'm 11.5. Everybody get now 12. I'm 12 down. Everybody get 12. 5. 13. I'm a 13. Everybody get 13. I'm a 5. 13. I'm a 13 down. Everybody get 13. I'm a 13 down. Everybody get 13. I'm 11. Everybody get 13 down. Everybody get 13. I'm a $13,000 now. 13. Anybody get 13? Anybody get 13?
7.5.
12, 7 and a half. 13,000, my friend. 13,000. Don't lose a good grinder with new scales. 13,000. $3,000 in scales. 13,000. I'm a 13,000. Hey, let me say this to you. Figure the grinder at 10 grand and figure the scales at 3. The grinder looks cheap at 10 grand. He put 3,800, I think, in the scales. Did anybody get 13? How did anybody get out? Did anybody get 13? I'm a 12, 7 and a half, 13,000. I'm a 13,000. Did anybody get 13? I'm a 13,000. Did anybody get 13? You want to get 12, 8? I'm a 12, 8, 8 to bid. I'm at $8 now, 8. I'm a 12, 7 and a half, 8. I'm at 800. I'm going to get 8, 8 to bid. I'm a 12, 7 and a half. Did anybody get 800? I'm going to get 8. You want to get 8 where? I'm at 800. I'm going to get 8, 8 to bid. I'm a 12, 7 and a half, and now 8. I'm a 12,000. Did anybody get 800? I'm going to get 8. All in and all done. Sold it for $12,750. $12,750. 216 the buyer. All right, we're up to EQ15. It's a wood fat wing mower. That is good, Marianne, right there. Books with it. All right, right here. Take it. Is there books with it? All right, right here. Take it again. The bottom next to down here. Somebody get 10,000. I'm a 10 down. Everybody get 10. No books. I'm a 10 down. Everybody get 4,000. 5,000. Everybody get 5. I'm at 45. 5. I'm at 5 down. Everybody get 55. I'm at 50. Everybody get 5. Everybody get 5 where? I'm at $5,000, 50, 5, 5, 6, $6,000 now 65, now 7, I'm at 7 down, everybody get 5. I'm at 75, I'm at 7 down, everybody get 75, everybody get now, everybody get 5, everybody get 75. I'm at 75, 8, I'm at $8,000, 85, I'm at 85, 85, and now 9, everybody get 9,000, everybody get 95, 10. I'm at $10,000, 10, 5, I'm at 10, 5, 5 to bid, I'm at 10, 5, Pioneer hat, how? I'm at 10, 5, 5 to bid, I'm at 10, 5, 5 to bid, everybody get 10,000, everybody get now, he's not in, 10, 5. I'm at 10, 5 now, 11, Morris, 11,000, 11, everybody get 11 down, everybody get 11. I'm at 11, 11, 5, I'm 11, 5, 12. I'm at 12 pounds, everybody get 12 pounds, everybody get 12 pounds, everybody get 12,000. I'm 11, 5, and now 12, 12 pounds, everybody get 12, 12 to bid. I'm 11, 12, 12, 5. What'd you say?
7 and a half.
11, 7 and a half. Now 12,000. I'm 12, 2 and a half. I'm at 12, 2, 2 and a half. I'm at 12 pounds, everybody get 2, 2, 50. I'm at 12 pounds, everybody get 2, 2 and a half. No 5. I'm at 12, 5, 5 to bid. I'm at 12, 5, 5, 7 and a half. 12, 7 and a half. Everybody get 7, 50. I'm at 12, 7 and a half. I'm at 12, 5, 7 and a half. Everybody get 12, 7 and a half.
13 grand.
13,000. Thank you. 13, 5. 13, 5. I'm at 13, 5. Yes, I would. 13. You say 2 and a half. Is that what he said?
Yeah.
2 and a half. 13, 5. 13, 5. I'm at 13, 5. 5 to bid. I'm at 2 and a half. And now 5. I'm at 13, 5. I'm at 13, 5. 5 to bid. I'm at 13, 2 and a half. 13, 5. 7 and a half. 13, 7 and a half. I'm at 500 now. 7 and a half. 13, 7 and a half. Everybody get 5. You're going to get 7 and a half. 13, 7 and a half. I'm at 13, 5. 7 and a half. 14. I'm at $14,000. 2 and a half. I'm at 14, 5. 5 to bid. 14, 5. 7 and a half. 14, 7 and a half. I'm at 14, 7. You want to get 14, 6. I'm at 14, 5. Anybody get 6 and everybody get on in. I'm at 600. Everybody get 5 now. 6. 600. Everybody get 500. Everybody get 6 and everybody get on in. I'm at 14, 5. 14, 6. 600. Everybody get 500. Everybody get 6 and everybody get 5. Everybody get 6. Where? All in and all done. Sold at Pioneer Way. $14,500.
100.
100 the bidder. 100. All right, we are up. That this trailer is a Hillsboro 1974.
We're on it right now.
All right, title with it, guys. All right, right here, 1974 Hillsboro, 16-foot. Oh, my dump trailer, hydraulic hoist works, 8,000-pound axles. He put new axles underneath it 5 or 6 years ago, he said. All right, right here, somebody get 10,000. How about 10,000? Everybody get 3, 4. How about $3,000 to 4, 5. How about 5,000? Everybody get 5,000. Everybody get 5. Everybody get 5,000. How about 5,000? Everybody get 5. 5 to bid. How about 45? Now 5. How about 5,000? Everybody get 5. Everybody get 5,000. How about 45? Now 5. How about 5,000? 5, 55. How about 5,000? Everybody get 50. 5. Everybody get 55. How about $5,000? 55. 5 to bid. How about 5? Everybody get 500. Everybody get 50. 5. Everybody get 55. How about $5,000? 55. How about $5,000? 55. How about everybody get 5? Everybody get 55. How about $5,000? 55. How about 55? Everybody get 5. Everybody get 55. Thank you. Now 6,000. I'm at $6,000 now 6. Let's 6,000 now 5. I'm at 65 now. How needs your help? I'm at 62 and a half. Is that what you said? 2 and a half now 5. I'm at 65. I'm at 65. Everybody get now. Everybody get 5. Everybody get 7 and a half. I'm at 67 and a half. How about everybody get 7 and a half? Everybody get 5. Everybody get 7 and a half. Everybody get ball in. A really good trailer. I'm at 67 and a half. How about $1 now 7 and a half? Everybody get 67 and a half. 66 now 7. John. I'm at 67. 7 to bid. I'm at 7. Everybody get 7. Now 8. I'm at 8. Everybody get 8. Everybody get 8. Everybody get 8. Where? I'm at 800. Everybody get 8. 8 to bid. I'm at 67. Now everybody get 8. Everybody get 8. Everybody get 800. I'm at 800. Everybody get 8. 8 to bid. I'm at 67. Now everybody get 8. Now 7. I'm at $7,000. Johnny. Now 7. I'm at 7,000. Now 72 and a half. I'm at 72 2 and a half. Now 5. John. I'm at 75. Everybody get 75. Everybody get 5. Where? I'm at 75. 77 and a half. How? 77 and a half. Everybody get 7 and a half. Everybody get now. Do you want to do it? Look at think of the new axle. 77 and a half. Everybody get 7 and a half. Now 8. 76. Now 8. $8,000. I'm at 8,000. Everybody get 8. 82 and a half. I'm at 8,000. Everybody get 82 2 and a half. Everybody get 82 and a half. half. How about $8,000, 82, 2 and a half. How about $8,000, 81. Does he want to do it? How about 81? Here we go, round third. How about 81? 81. How about $8,000, 81? Where? How about $8,000, 81? How about 81? 8,000, 81. $100, 81. 8,000, 81. Sold it, $8,000 your way, John Wilson. Bid number is 250. Bidder number 250. I think the trailer's next, isn't it? Livestock trailer's next, isn't it?
6.
Right here. Tell me EQ17, is that right? EQ17. Guys, this it weighs under the weight limit for Ohio. It has a certificate of origin with it. A certificate of origin. So to get tags, you'll have to go get a weigh slip for it, okay? Right here. Take it again. About an extra there. Somebody get 15,000. How about 15,000? Anybody get 15? How about 15? Does somebody have Tom on the phone? Who has Tom? Okay. How about $6,000 now? 7. How about 7,000? Everybody get 8,000. How about 7? Everybody get 8. Everybody get 8,000. How about 8,000? Everybody get 8. 8 to bid. How about 8,000? 9. How about 9,000? Everybody get 9. John, you're not in. How about 9,000? Everybody get 9. Now 10. How about 10? How? Everybody get 10,000. Everybody get how? 10,000. Everybody get 10. 11. How about 11? Now 12. How about 12,000? Everybody get 12. 13. How about 13,000? Everybody get 13. How about 12,000? Everybody get 13. How about 13? How? Everybody get 13. How about 13? 14. Everybody get 15,000. Everybody get 15. How about 1,500? Everybody get 15. Hey Morris, come and start the four-wheeler, 15,000. How about 14,000? Everybody get 15. How about 14? Nice aluminum trailer, 14, 15,000. How about 15? 15. Anybody get 15? How about 14,000? Everybody get 15,000. Everybody get 15. 16,000. How about 16,000? Everybody get 16. How about 16,000? Everybody get 16. How about $16,000? How about $15,000 now? 16. 16,000. Everybody get now 16. Do you want to do 15.5? Does he want to how? How about 15.5? How to bid? How about 15,000? Everybody get 500. Everybody get 15.5. How about 15, 15.5? How about 15,000? Everybody get 15.5. How about 15,000? Everybody get 500. How about 15.5? Out of it, guys. All I'm going to say to you is I'm 15,000, but go price a new one about 34 or 35,000. Just and this one right. And Grant just said that won't buy it. He said I just bought one. He said that won't buy it. What was it? 45,000. You're looking at 45,000. There you go. You got 15,000, $16,000. Help yourself on an aluminum EV trailer, guys. $16,000. It's not all wore out. $16,000. I'm at 15, 16, 15, 5. I'm at 15,000. Everybody get 5. Everybody get 15. Do you want to get 5? Where? Gonna do it? I need to know. Sold it your way, Hal. $15,000. 109. $15,000. 109. Now you're on a four-wheeler. No title to this, right? No title. There is no title. Honda 4Trax 300. He just had it running. All right here. Take it again. About an extra right here. Oh my, take it right here. Here we get there now. Then we get 500. $600. Out of about 100. 600. Out of it get 6. 600. Out of it get now 6. 600. Out of it get now 700. Out of it get 700. Out of 7 now 7. 7 to bid 80. Out of it get 800. Out of it get 80. Out of it get 800. Out of it get 800. Out of it 800. Out of it get 80. Out of it get 800. Out of it get 900. Out of it get $1,000. I'm a pound. Out of it get $1,000. The lights are on, Morris. I'm $1,000. I'm a pound. Out of it get down to bid. I'm a pound. Out of it get down. Out of it get $1,000. I'm $1,000. I'm at 900. Out of it get down. Out of it get down. If I get 950 on that, I'm at 900 and a half. $1,000. 1,000 and a half. I'm a pound. Out of it get down. I have it. Out of it get 1,050. I'm $1,000. Pound 50 now. 11. 11 it is. 1,100 and a half. I'm 11. Out of it get 11 and a half. Out of it get 1150. I'm 1,100 and a half. 12. 12 and a half. I'm a 12. Out of it get 12 and a half. Out of it get 12. Out of it get 12 and a half. Out of it get 1250. I'm a 12 and a half now. 13 and a half. 1,300 and a half. Out of it get 13 and a half. Out of it get 13 and a half. I'm at 1,400. Out of it get 14 and a half. I'm at 1,400 and a half. Out of it get 14 and a half. Out of it get 14 in. I'm at 1,400 and a half. I'm at 1,400 and a half. Out of it get 14 and a half. Out of it get 14 and a half. Out of it get 1450. Sold it. $1,400 on line 397 337. 397 337. Now, Marianne, turn right around, drive right back up, and then turn right in front of the combine. We'll start up at the combine, come right back. Buy base machine and then I'll sell you the corn head. Base, how many hours is on it, Morris, while you're right there? Back on.
Are you selling all the extras with it?
I'm going to sell the parts with the combine. Okay. There is a shifting cable for the combine for first and third gear. Morris told me he had a hard time getting it in first and third, so he said, I bought a new cable. I didn't get it put on when they drove it over here out of the barn. And so you'll have a hard time shifting it in first and third. I'm correct about that, right? Yeah. But there is a cable with it. There is a cable to put on it. You can put on it. There's spare parts right there. It'll go with the combine. How many hours?
3478.
3478 on the hours. Then I'll sell the grain head, the header cart, and then I'll sell the corn head. You're buying base machine only. Right here. Take it again. About it. Everybody get 8,000. I'm at an 8 down. Everybody get 2,000. I'm a 2 down. Everybody get 25. I'm a 2 down. Everybody get 25. I'm a 2 down. Everybody get 25. I'm a $2,000 22. 2.5. I'm at a 2 down. Everybody get 22. 2.5. I'm at a 2 down. Everybody get 22. 250. I'm a $2,000 22. 2.5. I'm at a 22.5. 25 now. 7.5. I'm a 27.5 now. 3 now. 32.5. I'm a 3 down. Everybody get 32.5. Everybody get 32.5. I'm a 32. 2.5. 5. I'm a 35. 5 to bid. I'm a 35. Everybody get 5 where? I'm a 35. I'm a 35. Everybody get 35. Everybody get 35. I'm a $3,500. I'm a 35. 5 to bid. I'm a 35 now. 7.5. I'm a 37.5. Everybody get 750. I'm a 3,500. Everybody get 7. 7.5. I'm a 3,500. Everybody get 7. 750. I'm a 3,500. Everybody get 7. 7.5. Look at the tires. 37.5. I'm a 35. 37.5. I'm a 35. 37.5. Everybody get 30. And it is 4-wheel drive. I'm a 37.5. I'm a 3,500. Everybody get 37. When I was 17, I'd have been in heaven if we'd have had that. I'm a 37.5. I'm a 3,500. Everybody get 7.5. I'm a 3,500. Everybody get 7.5. I thought I was a bad man. I'm a 37.5. I'm a 3,500. Everybody get 7.5. I'm a 37.5. It's a mud hog. I'm a 37.50. I'm a 3,500. Everybody get 7. 7.5. I'm a 37. I drove it up and down the road. 37.5. I'm a 3,500. Everybody get 7. 7.5. I'm a 3,500. Everybody get 7. 7.5. I'm a 37.5. I'm a 37.5. 37.5. 37.5. I'm a 37.5. You point at him. How did anybody get 37.5? Did anybody get 37.5? 37.5. I'm a 37.5. I'm a 750. Do you want to get 37? How did anybody get 5? 750. I'm a 37.5. I'm a divide. Did anybody get 37.5? Anybody get 750? I'm a 37.5 now. Got it? Now 4,000. How? Under the combine. Now $4,000.
4,000.
And you know the thing about it is everybody talks about beans and what the price is. This thing will cut, the $4,000 combine will just cut them like a $400,000 one will. I'm a 30, everybody get now 37.5, 4. I'm at a 4,000, everybody get 38. I'm a 37.5, 38. I'm at an 8, everybody get 8, 8 to bid. I'm a 37.5, everybody get 8, everybody get 8 where? I'm at an 800, everybody get 8, 8 to bid. I'm a 37.5, 38. I'm at an 8, everybody get 8, everybody get 8, and everybody get 8 where? Sold at John's Way, $37.50, $3,750. $227 to buyer, $227. Now we'll sell the 13-foot grain head, then I'll sell you the header cart, then I'll sell you the corn head. All right, on a 213 John Deere, 213 Equifax 20, right? EQ 20. All right, on a 213 grain head. I'm gonna somebody get 5,000. I'm gonna buy down, get your man, John. Did anybody get $1,000? 12.5 on the head. I'm $1,000 now, 12.5. I'm gonna get 500 now, 600. I'm gonna get 700. Who did 700? Anybody get 800? $1,000. I'm $1,000. Anybody get 1,000 now? 11. I'm 1,100. Anybody get 1,100. I'm $1,000 now. 11. 11 to bid. I'm 1,000. Anybody get 1,100. Anybody get 11 now. 11. I'm 1,000. Anybody get 1,100. I'm 11 now. 11. 11 to bid. I'm $1,000 now. 11. 11 to bid. Anybody get 1,100. Anybody get 1,100. I'm $1,000 now. 11. 11 to bid. I'm 1,100. Anybody get 11 now. 11. And it's a flex. It's a flex. 1,100. I'm $1,000 now. 11. 11 to bid. I'm 1,000. Anybody get 1,100. Anybody get 11 now. 11. I'm $1,000 now. 11. 11 to bid. I'm 1,000. Anybody get 1,100. Anybody get 1,100. Anybody get $1,000 now. 11. I'm 11. 11 to bid. I'm $1,000 now. 11. Anybody get 1,100. Anybody get 11. Where? Sold it. $1,000 bucks. $227. $1,000. $227. Now you got a blue header cart, EQ 21. All right, on the header cart right here, somebody get 3,000. I'm a 3,000. Anybody get $1,000. I'm about 500. Thank you. Now 6. 600. Anybody get 7. Now 8. Now 9. You did 1,000. 11. 12. I'm a 1,200. Anybody get 12. Need the money now. 12. 1,200. Anybody get 13. Anybody get 13. You want to get 12 and a half? I'm a 1,200 and a half. 12 and a half. Now 13. Now 13. I'm a 1,300. Anybody get 13. Blue shirt right there. I'm a 13. 13. I'm a 12 and a half. 13. Anybody get 1,300. I'm a 12 and a half. 13. I'm a 1,300. Anybody get 1,400. Anybody get 14. Do you want to do it? I'm a 1,400. Anybody get 14. I'm get 13 and a half. I'm 14. Now 15. I'm a 1,500. Anybody get 15. Now 1,600. I'm a 16. 17. I'm a 17. On a header cart. 1,700. Anybody get 17. I'm a 17. I'm a 17. Did you get 17? Do you want to get 17? I'm a 16. 17. Do you want to do it? I'm a 17. 16 and a half. Now 17. I'm a 1,700. Anybody get 17? Do you want to do it? I'm a 17. 17. I'm a 17. Did you get 17? Anybody get now? Do you want to get 17? I'm a 17. Now 17. I'm a 17. Did you get 17? Anybody get now? Do you want to get 17? Anybody get the ball in? 1,700. Sold it your way, Hal. 1,650.
106.
106 a buyer. 106. Now we're on the 443 corn head. Somebody get 4,000. How many more times does everybody get 440 bid? How many more? Hey partner, you get $1,000 for the corn head. $1,000 for 600, now 7. Anybody get 8, 9? $1,000 now 11, 12. I'm a 12, get 12. I'm a 12, 13, 14, 15. Did anybody get 1,600? Anybody get 1,700? Anybody get 17. 18, 19. I'm a 19. Did anybody get 18? Did anybody get 19? 1,900. I'm at 1,800. Anybody get 19? 1,800. Anybody get 19? 1,900. Anybody get 18? 19. I'm at 1,900. Anybody get 18? 1,900. Anybody get 18? 1,900. Anybody get 18? Anybody get 18 and a half? You want to do that? Y'all done? Sold it, $1,800, 227. 227, pull up, Marianne, to the wagons. Hey, Hal, we can sell choice in the gravity bed wagon.
Okay, that's good with me.
Choice out.
Get the tractor sold.
Boy, can you just
We're going to continue on the internet with the feed bump, and you're going to go back over there and finish up on household. Yes, but it's going to be whenever we get done with that. Okay, we're going to keep selling on the concrete bumps a little more. I'm going to sell you a choice out. So you got, that's good, Marianne. So you got 23. You got EQ 23, right, Hal, and EQ 24?
Yes.
So you got EQ 23 J&M, and you got EQ 24 with a Corey gear. All right, right here, and somebody gets 2,000. How much 2,000? Everybody get $1,000, $500, $600. How about 500? Everybody get 7. Now weed. How about 800? Everybody get 80. Everybody get 800. How about 800? Everybody get 8 to bid. How about 7? Everybody get 800. Everybody get 80. Everybody get 800. How about 800? Everybody get 8 to bid. How about 7? Everybody get 800. Everybody get 7.5. Now weed. How about 8? Now 9. How about 9? Everybody get 900 bid. How about 900? Everybody get 9. Everybody get 8.5. Now everybody get 900. Everybody get down. Do you want to do it? How about 8.5? Do you want to get 8, 850? How about 800? Guys, I'm selling choice of these two wagons. 850. How about 800 and a half? How about 800? Everybody get 8, 8.5. How about 800? Everybody get 8. Do you want to get 8.5? How about 800 and a half? How about 800? Does Morris have the keys to the tractors? 8.5. How about 800 and a half? Morris, get on your first tractor. How about 8.5? Now 9. How about 900? Everybody get 900 bid. How about 900? Everybody get 900. Everybody get 900. Everybody get 900. Everybody get 900. How about 8.5? Now 900 bid. How about 8.5? And now 9. How about 900? Everybody get 900. Everybody get 900. How about 8.5? Morris, get on the tractor and get them ready to start. 900. How about 900? Everybody get 900 bid. How about 900? Everybody get 8.5? Now 9. How about 9? Everybody get 900. How about 900? Everybody get 900 bid. How about 8.5? Now 9. How about 900? Morris, get on the first tractor. 900. How about 8.5? Now 9. How about 900? Everybody get 8. Everybody get Morris, get on the first tractor. 900. How about 8.5? Now 9. How about 8.5? Now everybody get 900. Everybody get 8.5 now. Now everybody get 900. How about 8.5? Now 900 bid. 900. Sold it, $850, takes 23, EQ 23, number 40, bid number 40. All right, EQ 24 with a Corey gear, somebody gets 600, 700, I'm at 600, everybody gets 6.5, Jermaine 7, 7.5, I'm at 7, 7.5, I'm at 700, everybody gets 7, 7.5, I'm at 700, everybody gets 7.5, everybody gets 750, I'm at 700 and a half, I'm at 7, 700, everybody gets 7.5, everybody gets 750, I'm at 700 and a half, I'm at 7, 700, everybody gets 7.5, everybody gets now 7.5, check with him now, Al, 7.5. I'm a 700 and a half. I'm a 700. Anybody get 7 and a quarter? Does he want to do that? I'm a 700 and a quarter. I'm a 700 and a quarter now. Anybody get 725? Anybody get 25? Anybody get the ball in. I'm a 700 and a quarter now. Quarter. Anybody get 7 and a quarter? Anybody get 725? Anybody get 25? Anybody get 7 and a quarter? Sold it online. $700. 300. 100.